lad from the town of Poland had a goal of biking across the country while raising awareness for mental health.
Chris Bennett started his journey in March 2020, but had to put his trip on pause because of the pandemic. Now he wants to try again.
And to take portraits of people who are willing to share their mental health journeys. Here's News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry.
Look off at my fingertips just a little bit here. Good.
Chris Bennett is a professional photographer. He focuses his work on people willing to share their mental health journey, like Nicole Jueus.
When I was a young teenager, I was diagnosed with attention deficit. And before that, I pretty much knew something was kind of off.
She says she found Bennett on Instagram and was hesitant to be part of his project, but knew it was for the best.
I've always tried to be pretty open about my mental health over the years, but it's definitely something that's really difficult.
Just turn your head a little bit towards me.
Bennett is getting ready to ride his bike from San Diego to Portland, Maine, with the hopes of taking photos of people how they're most comfortable. And for Jueus, it's laying down.
I think this will speak to a lot of people.
He's taken 20 of these portraits in Maine. Only 2 of them were men. He says this isn't surprising because women are more likely to talk about their mental health.
Statistically, men are more likely to take their own lives.
According to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, in 2019, there were more than 47,000 suicides in the U.S., and white males accounted for almost 70% of those deaths. But Bennett says he knows more people struggle with their mental health than just those with depression.
I broadened the scope. Instead of just focusing on suicide, I want to do more comprehensive mental health in general.
So he's doing just that, taking photos and talking to people about what they struggle with and reminding them we're all in this together. In Poland, Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.
Bennett is expected to start his bike ride in a couple of weeks and be back in Maine by late May.
You can follow his journey across the country at Chris Bennett Photo on Instagram.